10 more healthy foods for you. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is full of fiber. But you might not know just how much this food can do for your health. Oats are thought to lower inflammation and bad LDL cholesterol, as well as help guard against high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and weight gain. Cottage cheese. Dairy products tend to be high in protein. One of the best ones is cottage cheese. Eating cottage cheese is a great way to boost your protein intake. It's also very satiating, making you feel full with a relatively low number of calories. Eating lean dairy products, such as cottage cheese, is one of the best ways to get more protein without significantly increasing your calorie intake. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it may offer health benefits, such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. Adding apple cider vinegar to your vegetable salad may help curb your appetite, potentially leading to greater weight loss. Whole grains. Though cereal grains have received a bad reputation in recent years, some types are definitely healthy. This includes some whole grains that are loaded with fiber and contain a decent amount of protein. Notable examples include oats, as mentioned before, brown rice and quinoa. Both brown and white rice can contain significant amounts of resistant starch, particularly if cooked and then allowed to cool afterward. Keep in mind that refined grains are not a healthy choice, and sometimes foods that have whole grains on the label are highly processed junk foods that are both harmful and fattening. If you're on a very low-carb diet, you'll want to avoid grains, as they're high in carbs. You should avoid refined grains if you're trying to lose weight. Choose whole grains instead, they're much higher in fiber and other nutrients. Chili pepper. Eating chili peppers may be useful on a weight loss diet. They contain capsaicin, a substance which has been shown to reduce appetite and increase fat burning. Eating spicy foods that contain chili peppers may reduce your appetite temporarily and even increase fat burning. However, tolerance seems to build up in those who eat chili regularly. Fruit. Most of us agree that fruit is healthy. Fruits have properties that make them weight loss friendly. Even though they contain natural sugar, they have a low energy density and take a while to chew. Plus, their fiber content helps prevent sugar from being released too quickly into your bloodstream. The only people who may want to avoid or minimize fruit are those on a very low-carb, ketogenic diet or have an intolerance. For more in ketogenic diet, check the link below. For most, fruits can be an effective and delicious addition to a weight loss diet. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. Chia seeds can absorb up to 11 to 12 times their weight in water, turning gel-like and expanding in your stomach. Given their nutrient composition, it makes sense that chia seeds could be a useful part of your weight loss diet. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in fatty acids of a medium length, called medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs). These fatty acids have been shown to boost satiety better than other fats and increase the number of calories burned. Of course, coconut oil still contains calories, so adding it on top of what you're already eating is a bad idea. It's not about adding coconut oil to your diet but about replacing some of your other cooking fats with coconut oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Speaking of oils, extra virgin olive oil is one of the other healthy oils for you. Extra virgin olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, both of which are thought to protective cardiovascular health. It could help reduce your risk of heart disease, may protect against stroke and may help lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Look it up online for more information. Full-fat yogurt. Yogurt is another excellent dairy food. Certain types of yogurt contain probiotic bacteria that can improve the function of your gut. Having a healthy gut may help protect against inflammation and leptin resistance, which is one of the main hormonal drivers of obesity. Make sure to choose yogurt with live, active cultures, as other types of yogurt contain virtually no probiotics. Also, consider choosing full-fat yogurt but not low-fat. Low-fat yogurt is usually loaded with sugar, so it's best to avoid it. It's easy to find healthy foods to include on a weight loss diet, and even if you are not on a diet, it's always good to eat healthy. Putting healthy food on your table could be beneficial for you and your family. These foods include whole foods like fish, lean meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds and legumes. Several processed foods, such as probiotic yogurt, extra virgin olive oil and oatmeal are also excellent choices. Remember, as with all things, moderation is the best option, and regular exercise. Eating these nutritious foods should pave your way to success and a healthier life. There is a saying I like. You are what you eat. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.